Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel that is post myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing great. So guys, in this working demo, I'm going to show you advanced search in JavaScript, and also I will share the code snippet link inside this video description. So please get the code. And also now see the working demo. Here you can see the three inputs: search by title, actor and gender. Here is search button and reset. First, I will show you search demo. Search by title, who. Search C. Reset. Search by title, jet. Now it will show 0 because with who there is no jet actor. See. Reset. Who. Search C. Reset default. Get all the data. So guys, have you seen it's worked well? And also I will share the code snippet link inside this video description, so please get the code. Friends, in the end I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.